Welcome back to Matea Valley Calculus BC tutorials. Last time we left you off with how to solve a definite integral. Now we're moving on to indefinite integrals. They're much easier because they have no bounds, and you end up with the integral giving you a function, not a number. So, now, you know what an antiderivative is. So, there's no bounds a or b here. So, it's simply the integral of f of x with respect to x is just the antiderivative of x. But we cannot leave it at that. We must add a constant onto there. Why? Because it accounts for any constants that could be out there at all, possibly attached to this function. Because when you're deriving a function, the constant derives to 0. So we have to have the plus c there just in case. Okay, one of the most important rules is the integral of x to n dx is equal to x n plus 1 over n plus 1, which is, and you obviously have to have plus c. Never forget the plus c in indefinite integrals. Now, let's take an example. The integral of 3x dx would be, using this rule right here, for indefinite integrals, for power, would be 3x squared over 2. Why? Because n plus 1, so 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. And since we already have the 3 in front, it would be 3x squared over 2 plus c. This is how you solve indefinite integrals. Now, if you these are just a few common indefinite integrals that you will have to memorize. If you want a closer look at them, or even more, they will be available on our formulas list.